relax those legs out again. Deep breath in. It's so much bigger.
Oh my
That's so
God.
cute. Look at it. Oh, okay, let me get closer.
It's so much bigger.
It is wiggling.
Yeah.
Is it wiggling? Oh, look at that
Oh,
heartbeat.
look. It's a heartbeat. Hi, Mama's baby. Oh my God, in just 2 weeks. Look how big you've gotten. In just 2 weeks. I'm not gonna cry. Well, maybe just a little.
You already did. You already started.
Oh.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
Let me measure that. Let's see how fast this little one's going. 178. That's perfect. Okay.
Yay.
See that?
Hey. Hey, Mama's baby. Oh.
Look at that. That's
Oh.
you see the little arms?
Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, his arms. Oh. I see your arms, baby.
You see the baby wiggling?
Yes. So you're awake? Look.
Awake and ready for lunch.
Okay, I'm gonna eat soon as I leave here, sugar. Oh my God, in just 2 weeks. How big you've gotten.
We're going to keep your dates probably.
Okay.
Okay. Show Mommy your little arms. See those little arms?
Yeah.
Those little feet.
Yeah.
A strong little heartbeat
I
in there.
see it. Oh my goodness.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect little baby in there.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you see that?
What?
It just wiggled in there.
Oh yeah.
Like a little teddy bear in there.
What you wiggling for?
It's already doing his dance. Waving at Mama.
Right, yeah.
Everything looks perfect, okay?
Good.
Okay, we're good.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm good. Okay. 9 weeks.